Most parents think plasticine is just about rolling balls and snakes. But the truth is, your child can actually build real life skills with it. Skills that prepare them not only for school, but for focus, for patience, and independence. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 surprising skills that plasticine develops. And once you see them, you will never look at the simple lump of clay the same way again. Skill number 1, shape matching and visual perception. Let's start with shape matching. When kids press or roll plasticine into circles, squares, and triangles, they're training their eyes and hands to work together. This isn't just art. It's pre-math and pre-reading. Recognizing and recreating shapes helps kids later with letter recognition, number formation, and even reading maps or charts in the school. So while it looks like simple play, it's actually strengthening visual processing, a core foundation for learning. Skill number 2, bilateral coordination. Here's what parents rarely think about. Bilateral coordination. It's using both hands together. When kids roll plasticine with 2 hands or hold it steady in one hand while shaping with the other, they are practicing the exact skill they will need for cutting with scissors, buttoning clothes, and eventually writing. Without strong bilateral coordination, tasks like drawing straight lines or using cutlery can feel awkward or exhausting. Plasticine builds this naturally because the material almost always requires 2 hands working in sync. Skill number 3, pre-scissor skills. Speaking of scissors, before a child can cut safely, they need hand strength and precision. Plasticine is perfect for this. When kids pinch, snip small pieces, or roll thin snakes, they're practicing the same motions scissors require, but in a safe, frustration-free way. So plasticine actually prepares children for scissor use without handing them scissors too early. Skill number 4, pre-letter formation. Now let's talk letters. Before children even pick up a pencil, they need to understand lines, curves, and shapes. Plasticine is ideal here. If you take a simple worksheet with lines or patterns and have your child roll a plasticine snakes to follow those paths, you are giving them a 3D sensory-rich experience on how letters are built. It's like a bridge between tracing and writing without the stress of holding pencil too soon. This makes letter formation fun and not forced. And finally, one of the biggest hidden benefits is focus and patience. Plasticine takes time. It's not instant like a marker or crayon. Kids have to roll, adjust, fix, and try again. That process builds patience and persistence and the ability to stay on a task longer. And for kids who fidget or give up quickly, plasticine is a very gentle, playful way to lengthen their attention span. So those are 5 surprising skills plasticine develops: shape recognition, bilateral coordination, scissor readiness, pre-letter formation, and focus. And the best part, you can start with just 5 minutes a day. That's why I've created simple 5-minute plasticine routine that you can download right away, and your child can start developing all these skills without pressure, without stress, and without overwhelm. And in the next video, I will show you how to take these rolling and shaping skills and actually use them to start forming letters with plasticine. And that's where the real magic begins. I will see you there.